Artie McYardie here with another one. Hey folks, today is a fantastic day because I'm getting rid of my Hunter old irrigation controller panel that came with the house. And I'm replacing it with a smartified one with a Wi-Fi app, Wi-Fi capabilities. This one is called ImoLaza. ImoLaza Marketing reached out to me via email and sent me a free unit along with their enclosure, the outdoor enclosure. So I made a quick video installing it, going through it, testing it out, testing out the app, installing the app. So let's get to it. Let me know what you think, folks. Pro tip: before you disassemble the old unit, open up the compartment that displays all the wires. Every wire corresponds to a zone. Then you got your common wire, and then you may have a couple wires that correspond to the rain sensor. Take a photo of these wires. Very important. Make it easy on yourself for when you install the new unit. Unplug the power to the old unit. Make sure it is off before you uninstall the wires. Alrighty folks, so you see there's all those metal screws. You're just going to want to loosen them all up and slip the wires out carefully. And then loosen up the screws, remove the screws for the mounting enclosure, slip them out. I did not have any studs around that area, so I used those hollow wall brackets and mounted on my new unit. Alrighty, here I am doing a little trial run, just testing it out, seeing how it will look when I put it on there, making sure I'm lining it all up. Get yourself a level to make sure it's straight. Mark with a pencil where those mounting screws will go, and have at it. Here I am putting in drywall anchors as these screws are all in the hollow wall. I do not have any studs. No problem for Artie McYardie. Tight like a tiger. Okay, so I have the picture on my phone of the diagram of the wire schematic from my old unit. Now all we're going to do is plug and play. Get the corresponding wires to the corresponding zones, and you're good to go. Success, Daddy-O. All plugged in, buttoned up, ready to rock and roll. She's a beaut. Here's the cover panel, held in place by 2 magnets. The only suggestion I would have for ImoLaza would be to put 4 magnets, 1 on each of the corners, and a little bit stronger magnet, so it holds it in place a little nicer, tighter fit and finish. Other than that, she's a beaut. I'm downloading the app. Firmware version updating in progress. In the meantime, let's test these zones out from the manual control panel. Here I got zone 1 going. I hit play. Let's see. Success! I must say, solid job. Testing out, selecting an individual zone here. Zone 1, Zone 2. Okay, let's try Zone 2. Let's activate it. Wait for it. Oh, what do you know? Success. Alright, let's mess around. Let's select a different zone. Zone 3. Here, let's do Zone 4. Wait for it. Yeah, there we go. Good to go. So check it out. Here is the app. Little snapshot, the home screen. Here's the zones. I happen to have 5 zones. You can go in, really dive deep into these. See how it shows the minutes? You can set the minutes the way you want to. For your quick runs, preset them. Down below, got my weekly schedule set up with all the dates and the times. You can have multiple times that go off as well. You don't have to have just one preset time set. You got the weather. You can select your weather channels that it goes off of. You got moisture content. It's unreal. You can even set it up to where if it's windy, depending on the miles per hour winds that you preset in there, it won't set the sprinklers off during your schedule. It will put them on pause. You can set parameters for the temperature, such as if it's going into a freezing temperature, again, you want to pause it. And of course, if it's raining, based off the weather app that it's following that you have in there, it won't set off the sprinkler system during your scheduled times. Watch as I sit here and turn on my Zone 3 backyard with the flick of a finger on my app. This is something I've always wanted, to be able to versatilely control my sprinklers from anywhere. If I'm on vacation on a trip, if I'm in the yard doing repairs, I don't have to run back and forth into the garage anymore. If I'm on vacation and I forget it on or forget it off, flick of a finger, I can address it. This is more than what I've ever asked for or dreamed about. I'm probably going to be tinkering with all the settings in depth later tonight. See you guys later. Once again, major shout out to ImoLaza and their marketing team. You guys are awesome. I hope to see future products from you. Hey folks, I'm providing the Amazon link to the same exact product that I got for you all in the comments.